indulging in a little mani time, are we? Wow, a French tip? Impressive. Well, that is until you look close up. Oh man, how am I supposed to fix this? Hey, I walked all the way here and got blisters. Do you have any band-aids in here? Perfect. Oh no, I made it worse. I'm so bad at this. Hey, give me that band-aid. If you're giving yourself a manicure, try using a band-aid to keep your line straight. For a French tip, place the band-aid like this. Go ahead and paint right on the nail and band-aid. Yep, it's that easy. Why torture yourself when you can just use a band-aid sheet? Here, I brought you some tea. Check out my new sick mani. That looks great. Maybe you can do mine next time.
What? The exam moved to 12? Oh man, I'm gonna be so late! Better grab your stuff and go, Sophia. Kinda need these. Cute shoes, but are you sure you can run to class in those? Almost there, almost there! Sophia, your shoe! Huh? Hey, Cinderella, is this yours? Oh, yeah, must have lost it on my way down. Oh, thanks a bunch! If you have heels that keep slipping off, try fashioning an attached ankle bracelet. Put a dab of hot glue on the edge of the ribbon and fold it closed around the bracelet. Perfect! Now add some hot glue to the back of your heeled shoe, like so. Stick that same ribbon onto the shoe. See? Now you can be sure your heels will never slip off again. Not only is this hack practical, but it's super cute. Haha, these wet cats just kill me. Oh, who's that? Easy, mailman. You don't have to take inventory of the place. Yes, it's that awesome t-shirt I ordered online last week. Alright, let's try this sucker on, shall we? Whoa, this thing is awfully big. I could have sworn I ordered a medium. Okay, this definitely is bigger than any medium I've ever worn. Ugh, this blows. Let's see what the tag says. Whoa, I don't remember ordering an extra large. How else can I wear this thing? If you have a big t-shirt that you can't wear, try this hack. Start by cutting across the base of the shirt about an inch from the bottom. Now cut a line vertically up the middle of the shirt just on the front. When you get to the top, cut along the neckline all the way around the back too. Finally, cut some fringe on the bottom of the shirt on both sides to give it some flair. Check out this layering action. Looks like Amy just styled herself a one-of-a-kind piece.
Yes, I finally have some time to catch up on Instagram. Lily? I don't think you're alone in there. Lily, hurry! You gotta get out of there! Oh no, Lily, your last moments can't be spent sitting on the toilet! Hello? Weird. I thought I saw a shadow or something. Look again, Lily! Seriously! What is that? Gotcha! That's the face of pure fear, ladies and gentlemen. Lena, you nearly made me pee my pants! Well, you were sitting in the right place for that to happen, Lily. Hey, cute dress, Lana. Better put it back in the closet before your sister gets to it. I'll hang it up right… Hey! Help! There's a monster in my closet! Please let go of me! Gah! Boo! See, I told you I'd get you back, sis. Looks like Lana didn't think that was nearly as funny as Lily did. That's sisters for ya. Hey, I totally forgot I bought this sweater last month. I'll definitely be wearing this to my lunch date tomorrow. Little did Lana know, her little sister was lurking around the corner. And she needs something to wear to her party tonight. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Lana wouldn't mind if I borrowed this, would she? Whoa! Lana! I was just checking out this dress. Hand it over, sis. Come on. Next time you want to borrow something, Lily, you'd better just ask. Indulging in a little salty snack, are we, Lily? These sure are salty. Too bad I left my soda all the way over on the coffee table. Ugh, why can't I just move it with my mind? Ugh, forget it. I'll just be thirsty forever. Unless, maybe I can reach it with my leg. Ugh. Maybe I just need to use double arm power. Why does it look so delicious? It's no use. Maybe I just need a little help.
Lana!
Lana! Hey, come here for a second! You rang? Can you hand me that soda? I can't believe I got up for this. Fine. Here. Yay, my precious soda! You're such a good sister. Oh man, I'm so tired. I'll be super fast, okay? Thanks! Gah! Why is it that siblings always play dirty when it comes to using the bathroom? It's fine, she can totally wait. Open up, Lily! Did you die in there? As far as Lily's concerned, she may as well be having an at-home spa day in there. I swear, I'm never talking to her again! Well, it looks like Lily's not going anywhere. She's right in the middle of her solo, for crying out loud. Ugh, man, I really needed that. Bathroom's all yours, sis. Resist the urge, Lana. You love her, remember?
That was the longest day ever. I don't even think I have the strength to walk to my bedroom. That butt is about to hit the couch in 3, 2, 1. Gah! It's your night to mop the floors, remember? Alrighty, time to cook dinner. Oh. Believe it or not, with just a potato and an egg, a mom can whip something up pretty quick. A little stir here, a little chop there, and a whole lot of mixing. Oh, don't forget the baking. Whoa, that looks amazing! You got all that from just some potatoes and eggs? That smells delicious. But if you're just a kid who doesn't really know their way around the kitchen, even a bunch of ingredients can leave you feeling, well, confused. Oh man, where do I even start? There are so many recipes online, I don't know which one to pick. Man, I didn't think baking would be this much work. Ugh, but I promised Mom I'd bake a cake for her birthday. Huh? I can probably skip that step, right? Note to self, wear a mask next time you mix. Achoo! Off to the oven you go! Phew, I'm exhausted. Please don't burn! Please don't burn! Ooh, yep, definitely burned. Do you think people will mind having to scrape the char off the top? Looks like your mom will have to give you a few more cooking lessons, Lana.